Here we have an isosceles right triangle with two sides missing, and we want to use the information we have about this triangle to find the missing sides. I'm going to start off by drawing an isosceles right triangle just to give us an idea of what we should be looking for. So this is 45 here, this is also 45, and this is our right angle here. So this is S over here, this is going to be S because it's isosceles, and then this is going to be S square root of 2. So here we have the hypotenuse, so S square root of 2 is equal to 12. We're going to divide both sides by square root of 2, and so we have S is 12 divided by square root of 2. So what I'm going to do here is multiply the numerator and the denominator by square root of 2 to get the radical out of the denominator. So this is going to give me 12 square root of 2 divided by 2, which is going to be 6 square root of 2. So what we're going to now have here is S is equal to 6 square root of 2, and we can see that because this is an isosceles right triangle, X and Y are going to be the same value. So X equal to Y equal to 6 square root of 2. Or you can say X is equal to 6 square root of 2. Y is equal to 6 square root of 2.